Hello, how are you? Welcome to Access and Move Limited, your solar solutions partner. So today we are in Utawala, Machakos County for the installation of our Access Maxi home system. So as you can see, these are 10 panels of 550 watts each with a total of 5.5 kilowatts power. That right there is the lithium ion battery with a capacity of 5.1 kilowatts. So besides the lithium ion battery is our battery fuse of 250 amperes, the battery breaker MCCB, next to it is our 5.5 kilowatts hybrid solar inverter. That is our hybrid inverter. The next to it is the safety box containing the solar surge protection device and a DC breaker which isolates the solar in case of any power surges. So the system is also powering the house, as you can see along the staircase. It's lighting the house. You can see it's also powering the TV, which is 43 inches, but it can also power more. That is the microwave. The system can also power a microwave. That right there is a fridge. So it's powering the double door fridge. It is also powering the water dispenser, and that is a freezer, a small freezer. A washing machine. The system can also power a washing machine both day and night. It can also be used to pump water up to 150 meters deep. And in this case, we are also using it for the chicken incubators. These are the security lights outside the house. It's also powering the CCTV cameras and the electric fence.